Welcome to Bloom Skills. We are about to learn how to create a database. So how you can create a database. So for you to create a database, it's very simple. When you go to PHP localhost /php by admin, okay, localhost /php my admin, press enter. It will open a database for you. When you open your database, you see all the database you have created here. So what you have to do is for you to create a new database. So how can you do that? First of all, just click on database. When you click on database, it will open. Now you give your database a name. Let's assume we'll just call it students as the name of our database. Then you click create. It will create a database students. You see it here, it have appeared here. So now you have to create the table name. We can call the table name to be users. So after limit users, you can now create the columns of the table. So what are the columns of the table? We have in users, you have the column like name, address, phone number, username and password. But let's just use name, phone number, username and password. That's 4. Then we can make it 5 so that we can create a serial number that can be auto incrementing, showing us the total number of the records that we have on our table. So we can call the serial number as ID. We leave it as integer. Then we'll call we'll change it to auto increment. We'll scroll to the right and make that ID to be auto increment. This AI means auto increment. So you go back to the left side of your screen. Now you create others. Others are, you can have name. You make it to be variable character. You make it to be 60. That's the length of the character you want. Look at it as a length to values of the character. So the next one is phone. We'll make it variable character 60. You can make it 15. You can make it as any number, but any number you make the variable character length, that's the only size it can contain. If you put it to be 11, you can't save any number that is bigger than 11. It won't enter. So that's the use of this length. The next one is we have 2 phone number. We put username. We make it variable character, and we'll make it to be 60. Next one is password. Okay, we'll make the password to be variable character 62. Okay, after that, what you just do now is for you to go straight to the save, to save the table in that database. Let's click save. Yeah, we have now created a table called users. In that table, look at those columns that we created now. We have the name, the phone number, username, password. So for you to see the information inside the table, you go to the browser, when you click browse, it will show you the information inside the table. So there's nothing inside the table. Now for you to, there's so many ways you can insert information into this table. You can send information by using SQL statements, or you can insert records through by clicking this insert button here, or you can click on you can use your PHP code to insert data inside this table so that you can be able to save the record on this table and make use of it in your website. So we'll stop here for now. On our next video, we are going to see how we are going to connect our PHP MySQL database. Well, we're going to connect to this database through our MySQL in PHP. Then when we link it together, Then from there we can now be able to send information to this